Panasonic air conditioning systems, because every building matters. Panasonic is a trusted global brand that applies cutting-edge technologies in the manufacture of superior quality air conditioners with outstanding features. With research and development centers in Japan, Malaysia and China, Panasonic is committed to developing innovative products that respond to changing customer demand and evolving lifestyles. Panasonic's air conditioning expertise is backed by over 50 years of experience. It all began in Japan in 1958. In 1972, Panasonic set up its first overseas base in Malaysia. Since then, business overseas has continued to expand. Using advanced technologies to realize high functionality, Panasonic has continuously developed and marketed energy-saving air conditioners. In 2011, Panasonic Electric Works and Sanyo Electric merged with Panasonic Corporation to form a single entity. This further strengthened Panasonic's lineup, allowing it to offer even more comprehensive solutions. Panasonic's corporate concept is Eco Ideas. Going beyond energy-saving product features, Panasonic's vision is to be a green innovation company, providing comprehensive energy solutions for entire homes and buildings. This vision for the future is now taking shape in Tianjin, China, where construction of a sustainable, environmentally conscious eco-city has already begun. Panasonic's contribution to this project, which brings together leading-edge eco-technologies from around the world, is HEMS, or the Home Energy Management System. This state-of-the-art system shows when and how much energy is being used inside a home, and automatically controls the air conditioners and other appliances to reduce energy consumption. The new Panasonic air conditioning systems. Let's take a look at Panasonic's impressively broad lineup. Featuring VRF technology, the FSV series. Up to 64 indoor units can be connected in a single system. 3 module combinations give the outdoor units a wide capacity range from 8 to 60 horsepower. The FSV controller lineup is designed to control a range of indoor and outdoor units. Centralized control ensures optimal temperature levels and energy efficiency, reducing energy costs throughout a building. The multi-split packaged FS Multi-Series. A smaller installation space and minimal maintenance allows streamlined designs with little impact on a building's exterior appearance. This series is ideal for small to medium-sized buildings, condominiums and homes. Single split room air conditioners. Room air conditioners are ideal for the home. 2 advanced technologies deliver impressive energy savings. EcoNavi technology achieves up to 30% energy savings through sensors that detect room conditions and people's presence and movement to automatically control air conditioner operation. Panasonic's inverter technology achieves up to 50% energy savings, using only the minimum power necessary through automatic precision adjustment of compressor speed. Moreover, these air conditioners can be combined in entire building systems through serial connectivity, including connection to third-party control systems. Multi-split room air conditioners. One outdoor unit can support multiple indoor units, an ideal solution where installation space is limited, featuring EcoNavi technology to save energy. Single split, packaged air conditioners, the FS series. Offering flexible installation with indoor units that blend into the decor and the latest energy-saving inverter technology, this series is ideal for offices and stores. Panasonic's wide range of air conditioners gives you the freedom to design for any building scale. Easy to install, superior performance, and most importantly, energy saving. One Panasonic, combining air conditioners with other energy-saving Panasonic Group products means convenient one-stop negotiation and supply. Plus, it ensures energy savings throughout an entire building or store. Today, Panasonic air conditioners are used around the world thanks to a reputation for reliability, superior quality, and a proven record of performance. Advanced energy-saving features and an impressive lineup of energy-efficient products embody the Panasonic Group's dedication to the environment. Through eco-ideas, Panasonic offers real solutions for buildings throughout the world. Because every building matters. Panasonic Air Conditioning Systems.
Panasonic. Ideas for life.